Welcome to my home, where the golfing is out of this world. Everything is so close in New Zealand. One day, I could be teeing off here. The next day, putting from here. Each course looks so different. And the views at Curry Cliffs still blow me away. If you're up for a challenge, try the links course in Wellington. And the alpine courses in Queenstown are truly epic. Jack's Point, the Hills, or Millbrook. They're all there. Come experience nature's best golf courses right here in New Zealand.